Okay.
Thank you. Okay, guys, again, we will do today, inshallah, we'll do lesson 3, divide by a two-digit number, page 263. 263. We skipped lesson 2. Now we took lesson 1, which was the estimation yesterday. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 3, which is divide by a two-digit number, page 263. Now, in the previous lessons, guys, we divide by one digit. Like, for example, if we have 265 divided by 3. 265 dividend divided by the divisor is one digit. The divisor is one digit. Now, how we divide, guys? We said we can see the numbers here. 2 is less than 3, so we take two numbers. 26 divided by 3, we'll use the timetable of 3. And here we can use 8. 8 by 3 is 24. Subtract is 2. 2 less than 3, so the 8 is okay. Now we bring the 5 down. 25 divided by 3 is also 8. 8 by 3 is 24. Subtract 1, so the answer is 88, remainder 1. This is what we took before, how we divide on one digit. Today, we will not divide on one digit, guys. We will divide in two digits. We'll divide in two digits, like 265 divided, for example, on 31. Here, how many digits we have? Two digits. This is the title. Divide by a two-digit number. Now, we'll do the normal steps, guys. The normal steps. Now, can the 2 divided by 3? No, 31? No, the 2 is less than 31. Can the 26 divided by 31? Also no, because the 26 also less than 31. Now, in this case, we'll take the three digits together. 265 divided by 31. 265 divided by 31. Okay. Now, we need to use the timetable. Do we know the timetable of 31? No. We know the timetable until 9, 10, 11, 12. But 31 is big number to know the timetable of 31. So our aim here, our goal here, to find a number. If you multiply it with 31, you get this number, right? Now, in the previous lesson, we took the estimation. Let's remember, guys, what we took in the previous lesson, how to estimate. Now, at 265, we can estimate it by 300. 300, right? 265, remember yesterday? And the 31, it can be estimated by 30. The 31, it can be estimated or rounded by 30. We did that yesterday. Now, can we divide this? So first we estimate, see the numbers, and divide here quickly. 0 with 0 gone. 30 divided by 3 is 10, right? Right? So 30 divided by 3 is 10. So here, if we multiply by 10, guys, if we multiply by 10 here, if we make 10, 10 multiplied by 31, it's 310. 10 multiply 31, it's 310. 310 is bigger than 265, right? So don't choose 10, choose less number, a lesser number, like 9. And check, see, yani guess and check. Let's multiply 9 with 31 to see what we will have here. This is 9 multiply 31. Multiply normally. 9 times 1, it is 9. Why I didn't choose the 10, guys? Because it gives a number bigger than the 265. But from where I get the 10? I get it from the estimation. I get it from the estimation. So our number here, it will be close to 10, near to 10. 10, 9, 8, 11, a number near to 10. Now let's check that 9 here. Let's check it. 9 by 1, 9. 9 by 3, 27. Look here, guys. 279, 279. And here we have 265. Still, this number is bigger than 265, right? So I won't choose the 9. I will choose the 8. I want it smaller. This is 8. Let's multiply now. 8 by 1 is 8. 8 by 3 is 24. Now look here. 248, 265. This number less than this number, so I can choose the 8. Now, 8 multiply 31, we did it here. It's 248. I put it. And I make subtraction. Now I'll do the same steps of the normal division. The first step, guys, it's important to find the first number in the quotient. Now let's multiply. 5 minus 8, طبعا we start from the right always. 5 minus 8, it cannot take 1 from the 6. This will be 5 and this will be 15. Now 15 minus 8, it is 7. 5 minus 4, it is 1. 2 minus 2, it is 0. Now, the answer of the subtraction less than 31, so my 8 is correct. Now we finish? Yes, we finish by 1 digit. We finish. So what's the answer? The answer is 8 with remainder 17. 8 with remainder 17. Now here, guys, sometimes you need to guess the number, check it. If it's correct, take it. If it's not, do not take it. Check another number. But how we guess the first number? By making the estimation and guess a number around the answer, around, near to the answer. Okay, let's take another example. How to divide in 2 digits, guys. Let's take another example. Please pay attention here, then I will receive your questions. Pay attention here. Let's take 836 divided by 76. 836 divided by 76. 836 divided by 76. Okay, now look here, guys. Let's do the estimation first to check or to guess the first number here. Let's do the estimation. Now 836, it can be 800. We know that from yesterday. Divided by the 76, it can be 80. Right? Now 0 with 0 is gone. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And we can put the 0 here. Right? Now let's go back to our, so keep this in your mind and go back here. Now can the 8 divided on 76? No. 8 less than 76. 83, yes, 83 bigger than 76. So we can choose the 83 only without the 6. Keep the 6 later. Don't use the 3 digits together. It will be more difficult. No. If you can't choose the first 2 digits, yes, we can. 83 divided. Here we couldn't because 26 is still less than 31. So I should choose the 3 digits. But here, 83 less than 76, so I can choose it. Now 83, it's close to 76. Let's guess 1. Now, if you guess 2, for example, 2 multiply 76, 2 by 6, it's 12. 2 by 7 is 14, with 1, 15. Look, 152, and I want 83. So the 2 gives bigger number. So I need to guess the 1, which is less than 2. Now 1 multiply 76 is 76. From where I get the 1, guys? From here, from the estimation. The first number is 1. I guess it. Now 1 by 76, 76, and we do subtraction normally as we did always. 3 minus 6, it cannot be. This will be 7, and the 3 will be 13. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 less than 76 means the 1 is correct. The 1 is correct. Now I will get the 6 down. What we have, 76 divided by 76. A number divided by itself is 1 exactly. Always 1. 1 multiply 76 is 76. Subtract 0. So the answer here is 11. The answer is 11. Now let's take another example. Now this step, we don't need it in the answer. The estimation step, we don't need it in the answer. We just use it to guess the numbers up, no more. But in the previous lesson, no, we need it. Because the previous lesson wants the estimation. Here we don't want the estimation, we want the actual or the real answer. For example, For example, if we have 751 divided by 30. 751 divided by 30. Okay. 751 divided by 30. Now, let's take a look here. Can the 7 divided on 30? No, 7 less than 30. But how about the 75? Yes, 75 bigger than 30. So we can use 75. Let's guess a number. Sometimes we can guess, guys. Guess. No need to estimate. Sometimes you can guess. Here we did 2 by 3, 6. It is 60. I'm near to 75, right? But let's guess the 3. 3 by 30. 3 by 0, 0. 3 by 3, 9. 90 bigger than 75, right? So what I'll choose, the closer, which is the 60, comes from 2. So up what I will put? 2. Now, 2 multiply 30. Do not do it. You did it here. Just get the answer. 2 by 30 is 60. Put it and subtract. Do the normal steps. Now, 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. Look here. After you subtract, take a look here. 15 is less than 30. So the 2 is correct. Now what I'll do, I'll bring the 1 down. I'll bring the 1 down. 151. 151. Now 151 divided on 30. Let's keep guessing numbers because to multiply with 30, it's easy. Now 3 by 30, 90. 90 less than 151. But how about the 4? I'm going up because it's bigger. Now 4 by 0, 0. 4 by 3, 12. 120, but it's near. Coming closer to 100. Check 5. Check. Guess and check and take the answers here. We are guessing and checking and searching about the correct number. Now 5 by 0, 0. 5 by 3, 15. Look, 150 and here 151. It's so close. If you check the 6, guys, it will be 180, which is bigger than 151. So what I will choose, this one, 150, it's closer, so close to 151. So I'll choose the number up to be what? 5. So up, I'll put 5. Now, 5 by 30, we did it here. No need to do it again. Let's do it in extra paper. 150, 150. Subtract. 1 minus 0, 1, and this is 0. So we have remainder 1. We finished the numbers here. So what's the answer? The quotient 25 with remainder 1. The quotient 25 with remainder 1. So sometimes, guys, we estimate to know the first digit up. Sometimes we guess and check. It's up to you. It's your strategy. You choose. You choose. But do we need these steps? No. After we finish, we can erase it. We don't need it. I want this only. Okay, guys? So you can do the calculations not on the book, guys. Take extra paper besides you, put it besides you, and do your checking and guessing and estimations and how to search the first number here. Now let's do another example also to make this idea clear. Another example. Now, for example, if I have 624 divided by 42. 624 divided by 42. Look here, guys. 624 divided by 42. What's the first digit here? 6. Can the 6 divide on 42? No. 6 is less than 42. Let's take the first 2 digits. 62. 62 is bigger than 42, but it's near, it's close to it. 62, it's close to 42. Let's check 1 or 2. If the 2 numbers are close, guys, check 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1 by 42 is 42. طب 2 by 42, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 4, 8. Look here, 84, 62. 84 is bigger. So what I need to choose? The 1, because the 1 gives a number less than 62. This is 1. Now let's do the normal steps. 1 by 42, 42. Subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. Look here, 20. After the subtraction, stop and take a look. 20 less than 42, right? So I'm good. The 1 is good. Now I'll bring the 4 down. I'll bring the 4 down. Now look here, guys, and focus with me, please. 204 and 42. 204 and 42, right? Now we are done with 624. Now we have 204. What's the estimation of 204, guys? It is 200, right? The estimation. And the estimation of 42, it is 40. Look here, guys. I estimate. I didn't estimate here because 62 needs no estimate. 1 is correct. But here it's big number for the 42. I estimated this and I estimated this. Now here we have 200, guys. 20 on 4. Look here, guys. 20. How we divide? 20 divided by 4, it's 5. Let's guess the 5. 5 by 42. 5 by 2, 10. 5 by 4, 20. With 1, 21. Look, 210, 204. 210, 204. The 5 gives bigger number. Change the 5 to the 4. Make it smaller. 4 by 2, 8. 4 by 4, 16. 168. If the 5 gives bigger number, the 4 gives a smaller number. So here I will choose the 4. 4 by 42, it's 168. And subtract. 4 minus 8, it cannot be. I will go to this one and take 1, right? This 0 will be 10, then it will be 9, and this 4 will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now look here, guys. After I make subtraction, 36 less than 42. Do I use all of the numbers? Yes. So this is the answer. It's 14 with remainder 36. So sometimes we estimate, sometimes we guess, sometimes we check. It's up to you to know the numbers in the digits or in the quotients up. But the steps, the general steps is the same of the division by 1 digit. The same, no different. Put number up, multiply, subtract, check your answer, bring the number down, and do everything. It's the same. But what's the difference? We have bigger numbers here. We need to guess and check sometimes. We need to estimate sometimes to know the number. So it is a clear idea. I hope that. Now, if you have any questions, put your hands, guys, before we do exercises together. And by the way, today and tomorrow, we're still in the same lesson. So don't worry. We'll do more exercises. Don't worry. Let's take your questions now one by one, please. Omar Quaider.
I don't have a question.
Do you understand, Ya Omar?
Yes.
Good boy. Good boy. Thank you. Let's take Murad.
Yes, Mr.
Wait, Ghassan. Murad, are you here? Right, Ghassan, do you have any questions?
Yes, Mr.
What?
No, but I want you to ask me a question.
Ask.
يعني, give me a division to do it. Anything like the question number 2 in the book, 809 divided by 62.
You want to ask or you want to answer?
I want to make sure that I understand.
What do you think yourself? Did you understand these examples here?
Yes.
Good. Right, ماشي. Let's take question 1, me and you, Mr. Ghassan. See question 1 in page 264. See it?
Yeah. See it.
264. See it? Question 1.
Yes. Yeah,
I
Mr.
will I will write the question here, then we'll do it together, okay? You will help me. Just wait. We have find 176 divided by 16. 176 divided by 16, right? Down, they put the long division, 176 divided by 16, and they put empty squares here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just give me a second. Up, we have two squares.
Yeah.
Then
17, we have two
we have
squares.
two squares. Don't talk, Mr. I will write, don't talk. Then we have 1 square with 6. Then we have 2 squares down. Then subtract. Then we have here square. Okay. Down. So 176 divided by 16 equal a line. Here we will write our answer. And besides it, what we have besides it here, estimate, right?
Yes.
We have estimate the 176, they estimated it by 180. The 7, they make it 8, right?
Yes.
Divided by the 16, they estimated it by 20. The
20,
1,
yeah.
6, we add 1, we know that, right? And here they put a line.
Yes, we.
This is the whole question, guys. This is question 1. Guys, I have voices here. Wait.
Yes.
Rassan. Now this is question 1, guys. All of you go to page 264 and do question 1 with us, okay? I'll use another color. I'll use another color just to fill the empty places here. Wait. Now, to check the number here, how we start, Mister? Can you tell me? Hello?
Yeah. First, you write 1 up.
No, tell me how, yeah, Mister. Tell me how. How we start.
We start by estimating.
خلك من الاستيميت. Here. How we start the division.
Yes. First, 17 divided by 16.
Why 17? Why not 1?
Because 1 is less than 16.
Well, this is what I want to hear. 1 less than 16, so we'll take the 2 digits, 17 bigger than 16. They are close, right?
Yeah.
So what we can choose
Yes.
here?
1.
1. Before that, let's go to estimate here to check,
Yeah.
to see if we have close numbers here or no, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 18 divided by 2 is 9, right?
Yes.
And 0 comes with 0, right?
Yeah. So we
Right.
cross zeros.
Yeah, we cross 0. Let's go back here, and here we put 1, okay? As
Yeah.
we said. Yeah. Now 1
Right.
multiplied
16
16 is 16.
16.
Subtract.
Yeah.
17 minus 16 is
1.
1. Before the 6, the 1 less than the 16, so the 1 up is correct, right? We know this step.
Correct. Yeah.
طبعا 1 minus 1, 0, but we don't try 0, it's okay. Now we bring the 6 down.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
16 divided by 16
Is 1.
is 1 also. Now 1 multiplied 16 is
16.
subtract.
Remainder 0.
So what's the answer?
11. Remainder 0.
So here, so 176 divided by 16 is
11.
11. Top. When we estimate, what's our answer was?
9.
And
11
the
is
9
nearby
is
9.
close to 11, right?
Yes.
The 9, it's close to 11, so I'm good. But if this, for example, 1 or 2, Is this make sense? If we have 2 and the actual 11, means this is incorrect, right? It's big difference. But 9, it is what?
Yeah.
It's close, near to
Two
the
digit
11, so I'm
difference.
good. I'm good. I'm okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Fill the squares, guys. This is question 1. Do it, please, all of you.
So I'm good,
Do
Mr.
question 1, please. Yes.
Mr. In the book, I solved until question 5.
خلاص, wait until we solve it and check your answers with us. Yeah. I'll choose another student. Thank you, Mr. Jalal.
Yeah, Mr. I do not understand how to make it. Even when we
Here,
left
Mr. Look.
to the
Can
Qassam.
the 1 divide by 16?
No.
طب 17.
Yeah.
17 on 16, right?
Yeah.
Let's check numbers. 2 multiply 16, how much?
6 by 2, 12.
Start from down, yeah, mister. Start from down,
Adi,
always.
2 by 6, 2 by 6, 12.
12. 2 down, 1 up. 2 by 1, 2. With 1.
3.
So we have
22.
what?
More than.
More than 17. طب, if 2 gives more than 17, what I need to choose?
1.
High 1. Right?
Yeah.
1 by 16, 16, subtract 1, right?
Yeah.
Then I broke the 6 down. What we have?
16.
Divided by 16.
1.
Another 1. صح؟
صحيح
Got it?
مستر، أنا مش قصدي زي صحيح، بس أنا قصدي إنه مثلا أرقام كبيرة هذه سهلة هذه.
خلاص
يعني
ما هاي هاي النمبرز اللي بنشتغل عليها 3 digits 4 digits on 2 digits. If you know the idea, it's okay. Look here. Look here. For example, if we have 348 divided by 21. No. Help me, يلا.
3 divided by 21, it's can't, so we'll take 34
Cannot be,
divided.
right?
Yeah, so we'll take
يلا.
34 divided
34 divided by 21. Huh.
Correct.
What we will choose? Do we know the timetable of 21, Ya Jalal?
No.
No. So here we will guess and check numbers to get the 34, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yalla, give me a number to check with the 21. Give me a number. What you guess?
2.
2. 2 by 21. 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2, 4.
2 equals 42.
So
It's bigger than.
it's bigger than.
Choose
So
one.
2 gives. So I need to choose 1 because 2 gives bigger than 34. I need to choose 1 by 21, which is 21, right?
Correct.
Sahih, Jalal?
Put 21 down.
Yalla, 1 multiply 21, 21. We do the same steps. 34 minus 21, 4 minus 23, 13.
1.
13,
13.
look here, mister. 13 less than 21, right?
Yeah.
So the 1 is correct. So the 1 is correct. Now what I'll bring?
The 8 down, 138.
Hello. 138, right? This is bigger number for 21. Can you guess a number here? A number. Let's guess a number together.
5.
5. 5 by 21, right? We'll
Yeah.
check. 5 by 1,
5.
5. 5 by 2, 10. 105, 138. Less than, right?
Correct. So we'll choose 6.
Let's do more. Exactly. 6 by 21.
6.
6 by 1, 6. 6 by 2, 12. 126.
126.
138, right?
7.
Let's get 7. Yeah, let's go more. 7 by 1, 7. 7 by 2, 14. 147, 138. Huh?
So you'll choose 6 because 7 is more
So,
bigger than
7,
138.
exactly. 7 gives a big number, so I don't want the 7. I will choose what?
The 6.
Yalla, high 6. 6 multiply 21.
100.
Don't do it again. You did it here,
126.
right? Right, 126, direct. Now subtract.
Yeah.
8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 1,
2,
0, we are done.
1, 0.
Now, 12 less than 21.
21.
Do we have other numbers here?
No.
خلاص, then the answer is 16 with remainder ايش?
12.
Got it?
Okay. Got it.
Now, sometimes we said we can estimate to check our numbers. And we guess and check, guys. It's only guessing and checking our numbers, okay? Now, do we need these multiplications in the division here? No, we don't need them.
No,
After we finish, guys, all of these multiplication, we don't need them. خلاص, huh? This is our answer. This is what I want. So where you will do these exercise here, these multiplications and checking on extra paper, bring extra paper besides you and do calculations. You practice more about multiplication. It's a useful idea. Got it? This is.
Thank you, Mr.
Welcome. Guys, if you have questions, please only, if you have questions, put your hand. I want students with the questions, not to answer, huh? Not to answer. I want students with the questions. But Abdullah Ihab and Kinan.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Abdullah.
Mr. What we make if the remainder is too big?
The remainder always should be less than what?
The divisor.
If it's bigger than the divisor, then my answer here is incorrect. You have mistake. We know that, right?
Right.
So you need to check your numbers here if they are correct or no. This is what happened if the, look here, 36, 42, 1, 30, 0, 76, 17, 31. The remainder always should be less than the divisor. Else, you are have a mistake. Got it, Abdullah?
Yes.
Good boy, thank you. That's all for today, guys. This is the lesson of how to divide by 2 digits, a 2-digit number. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will continue doing exercises. We will continue doing exercises. So just study for your exam. If you like to do the homework, it's okay. If you just like to wait for tomorrow, it's okay too. Thank you so much. Kenan, you can stop it and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.